Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Revuelto and this is by Bburago from their 1 to 64 series. I bought this for 995. Yeah, I bought it for MRP. So it actually had a laminated cover on top, but out of curiosity I removed it. so so let's unbox this. So if you guys remember, I mentioned about this particular casting, when I unboxed the CCA casting, that CCA Revuelto. So this one actually has an opening part. I'll showcase that to you guys. Okay, let me unscrew this. I don't know why they're giving two screws unnecessarily. This usually takes a lot of time to put it back properly. Okay, so here it is. I don't want to waste much of a time. Let's just get straight into the casting now. Okay, so out of the box it looks good. So it has painted headlights here. Yeah, so that is a piece of plastic here. They painted on top of it. And you can see the Lamborghini logo, it's misprinted here. I mean misaligned. It has a Revolto badge here. So it has rear view mirrors here, but not really that great. But the interior looks good. And the rims on this one, I mean wheels on this one looks good, not great. It has a rubber tires. So the body is fully metal, chassis is plastic for this price point. It is disappointing to see that. And it has painted tail lights here, including the exhaust, but it is not really that good. Okay, it has openable part here. Let me show you that. Here it is. This is the max you can open this piece. Let me put it this way. So it has some engine detailing here. So the engine detailing looks really good on this one. So that is the only positive point I can say about this particular casting by Bburago. That too for this price point. I mean, they could have went with full metal like Majorette does. But even CCA did it for half the price. I mean, they did really well on everything. The only thing they missed out is on this Lamborghini, naming here on the top of that engine. That was I was talking about during that video. It is supposed to go like this way and this way. That's what I'm. That's what it is mentioned here. You can see here. So along with this, firing order, it has suspension. I mean, who cares about that? It is supposed to sit low to the ground like this, but because of suspension, it is sitting like this. Okay, let's weigh this casting. 35 grams. Honestly, I was not expecting that. I was expecting a bit more, but end of the day, it is not full metal. It is plastic. Okay, at least it rolls. Genuinely, I was not expecting that as well. At least it rolls. That I can give it to this casting. Okay, let's rate this casting now. So for this price point, I'm seeing paint issues. Again, yours might not have this, but for this price point, all the castings are not supposed to have this. So I'm not stealing this casting, right? I'm actually paying my money and getting this. So to be very frank with you guys, this casting feels really cheap for the price. I would put this around the range of 350 to 400 max, not more than that. I bought it for somewhere around like I think 700 or something. I didn't buy it for MRP, that I remember. Maybe around 700 or so. But the right price for this would be somewhere around 400 max to max. 450 itself feels illegal for this casting. I would say 400, but not more than that. So with that said, I mean, I am giving like 9 point. Not even 9.5, 9 out of 10. That's it. So it is supposed to be, see, it is not sitting well for, it is supposed to sit like this. There are some paint issues here. It doesn't have acrylic headlights or even tail lights for that matter. I would honestly take even 1 out of 10. Like 9, I would give 9 out of 10 for this, but that's it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.